So we'll see what the next block is, which is mouse X and mouse Y. So since we have two particular blocks, I'm gonna go here and take a mouse X block, and I'm gonna put it when the green flag is clicked, and we'll take a save block and put the mouse X here, and I'm gonna make it forever. Now we will duplicate this again and put it inside the strawberry, but this time we're going to take out the mouse X and put the mouse Y inside. So we'll see what these two blocks actually are. So this mouse X and mouse Y is going to give the coordinates of where the particular mouse pointer is placed. So I'm going to stop it here as of now, and I'm going to click on X and I'm going to click on Y. So this gives me, the milk carton is giving me the X value of the mouse pointer, and the strawberry is giving the Y value of the mouse pointer. So this is actually different from the X and Y of the particular sprite. So the X and Y of the particular sprite is minus 160 and minus 80, whereas the X and Y of the mouse pointer is where being set by the milk carton, which is minus 45, and the Y is actually the strawberry, which is 107. So this gives the coordinates of X and Y of the mouse pointer. Now we'll come to the last block, which is set draggable mode. So we'll see what this is. Now I'm gonna go to events and take when green flag is clicked, and I'm going to stop it here. Now if at all we have noticed, we can actually move the sprites when we are in the testing mode, and when we go to the full screen mode, if we notice, we would be unable to move the sprites, and even if when the green flag is clicked, we wouldn't be able to move. So that's why this particular block is going to come to picture, which is set drag mode draggable. So if I add the block, even when I put it in the full screen mode, I would be able to drag and move the sprites. So I'm gonna add it to the milk carton and make it as draggable, and I'm gonna maximize it, and when the green flag is clicked, I am able to drag the milk carton, whereas I would not be able to drag the strawberry. Okay, since it's moving, I'm just going to detach the action of strawberry right now for this, so that it's more fixed and we can check how this works. So I'm going to maximize it, and I'm going to click on the green flag, and if you see, we are unable to move the strawberry, wherein we are able to move the milk carton because we have added it as draggable. Now we can go back here and we can change it to non-draggable, and here if we maximize and check, we would now not be able to make it move. So this is how, yeah, if I click here, yeah, I couldn't move it now. So this is how the set draggable the block works. And yeah, you can always add in your thoughts to it, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.